Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia Smith of Journey Chanel Designs, and today you will be learning how to add beads to your project. To start, you are going to need DK weight yarn or whatever yarn your pattern calls for. We'll also need a 0.60 millimeter hook. This is to help get the beads on your yarn. Now you will insert your hook into the center of the beads. I typically do 2 to 3 beads on the hook at a time. You will take your yarn and fold it in half. And now you will insert your hook into the loop and you're going to pull the yarn through the beads and then down onto your yarn. And now you're going to repeat this process again. You're going to take 2 to 3 beads, insert your hook into the center of the beads, insert your hook into the loop of the yarn, and now you're going to pull the yarn through the center of the beads and then down onto your yarn. For the Beaded Beauty Cardigan, you're going to repeat this process until you have the whole amount of beads designated in the pattern on your yarn. You can continue to push the beads all the way down as you're working so they're not in your way. Now we're going to learn how to crochet with the beads on your yarn. So to start, you're going to act like you're making a single crochet. So to start, you're going to insert your hook, yarn over, pull a loop, you're going to pull the bead down, and then you're going to yarn over and pull through the rest of the loops. Now you're going to make a regular single crochet in the next stitch. And now you're going to insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, pull the bead down, yarn over, pull through all the loops. Make a regular single crochet stitch again. Insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, pull the bead down, yarn over, pull through all loops. Make a regular single crochet stitch again. And now you're going to repeat this pattern all the way across until your designated stop. And you have just learned how to crochet with beads. Have a good day.